Today I am reviewing the EanOruus juicer machines. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The EanOruus 3-in-1 cold press juicer is a versatile and high-performance kitchen appliance designed to simplify healthy living while delivering maximum efficiency. Whether you're a juice enthusiast, a home chef, or someone looking to incorporate more fresh and nutrient-rich foods into your daily routine, this juicer is built to meet all your needs. One of the standout features of the EanOruus juicer is its 3-in-1 functionality. With two interchangeable strainers, you can easily switch between making pure, cold-pressed juice, creating creamy and delicious nut milk, or even preparing healthy frozen fruit sorbets. This versatility means that one appliance can handle multiple kitchen tasks, saving space and reducing the need for multiple machines. From apples and carrots to nuts and frozen fruits, this juicer allows you to explore endless healthy recipes for you and your family. Time efficiency is another strong point of this juicer. The extra-wide 6.5-inch feed chute is large enough to fit whole fruits and vegetables, including apples, oranges, and other bulky ingredients, with minimal prep. This feature drastically cuts down the time you spend slicing and dicing, letting you enjoy fresh juice faster and with less effort. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or prepping multiple servings for the day, the EanOruus juicer saves you significant time and effort. For those who need capacity, this machine doesn't disappoint. It comes with a 100-ounce hopper, allowing you to juice larger quantities at once. This is perfect for families, gatherings, or anyone who wants to prepare multiple servings ahead of time. The large capacity minimizes the need for repeated refills, letting you enjoy continuous juicing without interruptions. Performance is where the EanOruus truly shines. Its whisper-quiet AC brushless motor is designed to handle the toughest, fibrous ingredients effortlessly. From leafy greens and hard-root vegetables to nuts for fresh almond or cashew milk, this motor delivers consistent, high-yield results while preserving nutrients and flavor. The high-torque design ensures smooth operation, even under heavy use, making it ideal for daily juicing and long-term reliability. Cleaning is often a challenge with juicers, but the EanOruus makes it simple. The juicer features detachable parts, including a removable pulp ejector, all of which are fully dishwasher-safe. Cleanup is quick, efficient, and hassle-free, so you spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your fresh creations. Finally, the bright white, sleek design of the juicer adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen. It's compact enough to sit comfortably on your countertop while making a stylish statement, blending seamlessly with contemporary kitchen decor. In summary, the EanOruus 3-in-1 cold-press juicer is a versatile, high-capacity, and efficient appliance for anyone serious about healthy eating. Its 3-in-1 versatility, extra-large 6.5-inch chute, 100-ounce capacity, whisper-quiet AC motor, and effortless cleaning make it a standout choice for families, meal preppers, and health enthusiasts alike. Whether you want fresh juice, homemade nut milk, or zero-waste frozen sorbets, this juicer delivers convenience, style, and high performance all in one package.